Be honest. What's your reaction when you hear someone mention his or her therapist? People who need therapy have something fundamentally wrong with them, right? They must have major issues from childhood, or they must be emotional time bombs. They've likely suppressed trauma from emotional, physical, or sexual abuse. They are certainly needy and damaged and unstable and broken. They need to be fixed by someone else. Is this true though? I'm too smart, too put together to need therapy. I might have problems now and then, but nothing severe enough to warrant professional help. I can take care of myself. I don't need therapy. So on and so forth. Those are the assumptions I've heard from people now and then. Okay, I get it. Therapy doesn't always sound like the most fun way to spend your time. But the point of going to talk to a professional isn't to hear what you want to hear. It won't always be easy. Change can be a lot of work. But you are there to learn to live healthily, see situations from a different perspective, and grow as a person. How often do we chat away with a close friend over a glass of wine seeking comfort or advice? No matter the subject, a stagnant job, an argument with a boyfriend, fears about the future, what to make for dinner, it always feels better after talking it through. That's the definition of therapy. Except, instead of confiding in a friend who may be biased in their advice or may spill your secrets to someone else, you're opening your heart to an objective professional whose job is to help you learn healthy patterns of behavior and communication from a different perspective. Remember that great scene in Good Will Hunting where Robin Williams' character hugs Will and tells him, "It's not your fault," until he breaks down and cries for the first time. After that, Will turns his life around and seems to instantly overcome his attachment disorder. It's a great movie, and that scene made me cry the first time I saw it. But there is no big eureka moment in therapy where you overcome your issues with one big cry. Therapy is more like a series of small breakthroughs. Just remember that therapy doesn't fix you because you aren't broken. Therapy sessions can be viewed as problem-solving workshops. At each session, a discussion with your therapist will analyze where you stand and the status of the issue that brought you in. You can start with our friend calling helpline, "I have a friend," or you can choose to book a session with one of our experts and start your journey of healing. But start somewhere.